Let's talk about the hand wash cycle on your washing machine. What is it? How does it work? When should we use it? And when is it not really appropriate to use? So first of all, the hand wash cycle is the most gentle cycle on all of your washing machine. It has really low agitation, lowest temperature, lowest spin speed. It generally doesn't last very long. Also, we are going to use some gentle detergent when we load it up here. So this makes it very ideal for really gentle clothes. So generally the ones you find with the hand wash symbol at the tag of them, which looks like this, is the ideal candidates for this cycle. So that generally will include wool, silk, and like chiffon, embellished garments. So for example, embellished shirts. I will also say underwear and underwear bras to a large degree. Also, woven fabrics will benefit greatly from this cycle. So as you can imagine, with all these low settings, this is going to be very environmentally friendly for one thing, since it uses little water and pretty low temperature, and it doesn't take too long. On top of that, it's also pretty friendly for your wallet in that it doesn't consume a lot of resources, which is awesome. Is it better than hand washing clothes by hand? Is it safer? It is as safe as it can be in a washing machine. Of course, if you want 100%, you're always going to be safer doing it by hand. This is a machine after all. I'm going to go over some steps when we load the washing machine to show you how you can be as safe as you can while using this cycle. So let me just go over to the phone here and I will show you how we do it. First off, we want to turn on the washing machine here. And I have one called wool/hand wash. As you can see, it uses really low temperatures, 30 degrees, which is about, what, 87 or so Fahrenheit? 86 perhaps. You see it's not a very long cycle either, and it uses low spin speed. You can even turn this down further should you be so inclined. The next step here is that we are going to load up with our detergent, and I have grown to love this one a lot. It's from Earth Breeze. I can strongly recommend this one. I may do a review on it in the future here. It's just really eco-friendly and very gentle little sheets. So if you're interested in buying that, I will add a link in the description actually. So from here we close up this tray. And if you have any garments, like I said, for example, with a lot of embellishments, embroideries, you know, little details, I would even say underwire bras, and the ones, what are they called? Corsets as well. Put them in a mesh bag. So the reason, this is a short cycle, but to ensure that it doesn't like start snagging onto any other of the clothes or kind of ripping apart the embellishments, put them in a mesh bag. It's going to save your clothes and you're going to be happy that you did. Once we have done all that, we are ready to start the cycle here. So just press start and we are good to go. So some of you may be wondering, Tor, what is the difference between this hand wash and the delicate wash? Basically, the hand wash is made to imitate the human washing experience as much as possible. It generally spins a little bit and then it waits a little bit, while your delicate cycle, that is more of a continuous washing cycle. It doesn't stop as much and therefore it's not as gentle. I will, however, say that they are pretty similar. If you don't have a hand wash cycle on your washing machine, what you could do is actually use the delicate cycle instead, as it is reasonably similar. Of course, it is a little bit less gentle, so perhaps you want to go in with the garment bags for all your garments in that case. Also, if you don't have delicate either, perhaps wool cycle is a good one. And at the end of the day, you also can wash your clothes by hand if you don't have any of these cycles available. I will say though that it is a really nice cycle to have available. Generally, it's not the one that I use the most, since it's not as effective for getting off stains or smells as some of the stronger cycles. But for this weak delicate clothes, we need to use this cycle to preserve the clothes over time. So like I said, I'm going to be making a review of these eco sheets here next, so you can check that out if you tap like right here, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna add a link to them down in the video description as well. I hope this video was helpful for you, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.